Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I'm at Classic Service Point in Noida again. Couple of months ago or so, I'd shown you this very Mahindra Thar done up by my friend Mudit. Mudit, why don't you join me in the frame? So Mudit and his father, they run Classic Service Point, one of the oldest and the most reputed 4x4 workshop in the NCR region. So Mudit, back then things were just getting done on this vehicle.
Yes.
They were in the prototype stage. You had done up the interiors very well.
Interiors and
Slight alterations on the exterior as well. But now this vehicle is more or less finished.
Completed.
It keeps going, it keeps coming back. The customer,
Yes.
he wants everything on it.
Yes.
So I see the first big change that I walked in today and I saw. You've got a bumper. You've got a new bumper in. It's a metal bumper, beautiful looking metal bumper. Reminds me a little bit of ARB because of the way the sides move. Now, you were telling me this is a hybrid bumper, so it's the sides are all metal.
These are metal.
Yeah.
The center part, this is the stock bumper.
So
itself.
the stock bumper had to be
So
cut.
we have altered the stock bumper.
Right.
The airbag sensor stays at the going position where it is.
Okay, so if something hits from the front, the airbag is going to
It is gonna
deploy the
because
same
this
way
is-
as it would with the
This thing
stock
is the
one.
crumble zone,
Right.
and just right beside the grill, this is where the airbag sensor sits.
Okay. All
So
right.
that will definitely work.
So it
And
will work.
This
Perfect.
is the metal part of the
So
bumper.
this is the metal part because this is where things might just hit it from. So this
Just
is
for
where
the clearance for when you are hitting the car like off road, and
Yeah.
so this is where this will work.
Also, it gives you better approach angle for the tires. At least this particular
Okay, the
portion.
tires are also changed.
Yeah. So, but
Two
we'll get to the tires first. You also tell me that I see new fog lamps over here.
Fog lamp with dimming function and straw feature as well.
Nice.
So this has a whole control for inside. You can control the fog lamp from that.
Lovely. Then you guys have were these there last
LED
time?
headlights.
LED headlights.
LED headlights. Then this grill.
This is this the same grill?
This is the fiberglass.
Fiberglass grill. So, guys, what Mudit has done is they haven't changed the entire grill. A lot of people, they are making grills out of fiberglass completely. What these guys have done is they've just replaced the middle portion where the stock Mahindra Thar, that slotted grill set. So they've changed it. They've come up with this design, and it's got a wire mesh underneath.
So you get an option for 3 slot as well as the 5 slot.
Okay.
That's the thing. And a metal bash plate.
So
With
finally,
its height.
yeah, because the radiator is pretty low in this
Pretty low, yes.
vehicle, so the chances of somebody hitting the radiator are pretty high.
Yeah.
So metal bash plate. So this is made out of mild steel.
Yes, fine steel.
Nice. And then I see
You have
that.
the option of SS as well.
Okay, so we
Just-
can get it in stainless steel as well. It's just going to cost a little bit extra. Alright guys, if you want to know the pricing of all these products, it varies. It varies. There's no fixed pricing. So depending on what kind of work you want done, what kind of quality you want,
And the
price
material, of
and the
course.
material used, the price can fluctuate. So I'm gonna put the number on the screen of Classic Service Point. Give them a call, discuss your build, and just take it forward from there. Figure out the prices with them. Speak to them what kind of materials you want, etc., etc. So Mudit, lights are changed. I see that you've put a wrap on this carbon fiber wrap,
This is aftermarket.
aftermarket basic wrap. Okay, let's move to the side. I see that you've got BFGs finally,
285.
285s. So these-
Unfortunately, they stay out of stock all the time.
yeah, there's just
They're
no
not
stock
available.
anywhere in the country. I'm looking for 16-inch 265,
That's the
75s,
best option you will get.
but I'm just not getting those tires anywhere.
Yeah.
So these are the stock rims. The stock tire size is 255. This is a 285, and there's no clearance issue or anything.
Not at
inside,
all.
no? Very nice. The
The
rims
wider
have been
profile.
painted black.
These are powder coated black.
Powder coated black.
With red tires.
Nice. So on the side, this is new. Was this there? The Jeep logo earlier?
Not that.
Yeah. So
Just fancy.
yeah. So
That's all.
it's nice. I mean, the owner wants it, so the owner wants it.
Plate. Urban Jeep plate.
Urban Jeep plate over
Personalized
here.
branding if you want.
So if somebody wants to, you know, whatever that you want, laser cut, CNC laser
This
cut,
CNC cut, yes.
CNC cut,
Just a mild steel.
mild
blade.
steel plate, CNC cut, and then powder coated. Nice. So there are not a lot of radical changes on the outside, except you know the front where the metal bumper is. They're just small
Very
accents,
subtle, but-
very subtle, just to personalize the vehicle based on you know how the owner wants it to be. At the back, it's pretty much the same. You've got this carbon fiber
These are
wrap.
done by the owner.
All right, so you haven't done it. So pretty much stock from the outside. Otherwise, we've shown this Urban Jeep logo that you guys have done earlier.
Yes, custom CNC cut
Yeah.
fuel lid cover.
Right. Let's take a look at the inside, shall we? Because that's where
The
most
major
work
changes are
has
done.
been done in this car. So, all right. I see that the door
These levers
lever-
are also painted red.
They are. So this is paint. This is not a wrap or anything.
No, these are painted.
These are painted red. This is carbon fiber dip.
Yes.
That hydro dipping process.
Yes.
I think so. These have been, the pattern has been changed. The last time they were slightly different, if I remember.
I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So you've got again, you know, this accent over here, Urban Jeep. You've got sort of metal-looking red beading running over here. If I can take the camera now and take you guys on the inside. Again, you know, those hydro dipping, carbon fiber thing. Center console also. Top to bottom.
So this is the control pod which I was talking about.
Oh, nice.
For the fog lamps.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so this sort of changes the function. If it
does.
it can you know be bright, be dimmed,
Yes.
strobe effect, whatever that somebody wants. Not that anybody's ever going to have strobe effect over there. Then this steering wheel has now been leather wrapped, right?
It is.
It feels so nice.
The material is different.
The material is different because on mine the rubber feels very poor.
Yeah.
Like I think you'd need a leather wrap on it. And then on
Just
top,
to get a good grip, you know.
yeah, on top you've got this again, the carbon
This is
fiber
also-
trim.
So this is also done.
Yeah, it's hydro dipped
You-
again, right?
Yes.
All right. So is the console behind, the MID, the gear shifter, region also, all of this. Quite nice. And again, you know, I've shown you these interiors earlier. Anything else that's been done to the interior? Let's
Not much.
fold this seat and, you know. So move this ahead. So I see that the mats are new.
The mats
And
are
then
added.
on the side, the owner has gone for this red
paneling.
paneling.
Yeah.
I mean, it seems like an acquired taste, but if the owner wants it, you guys have to do it. Again, beautiful armrests. Like these seem very premium. It's just nice to look at, feel and touch. Just well built. So, again, you know, guys, I've shown these earlier. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description. Enough space over here. Because one thing that this car lacks is it doesn't have a lot of storage space. Even the glove box is really small. So very thoughtful mods. You've got your AC vents over here. So Mudit, assume your driving position with your arm on the center armrest. This slides. So yeah, take a look, guys.
This is the dead pedal.
Yeah, so it has a dead pedal as well. Yes,
So this is a plastic dead pedal.
plastic dead pedal.
More
okay.
of a factory finish.
Yeah.
You know.
Nice. Not bad. So pretty purposeful vehicle, I would say.
Yeah. More of a daily driver.
More of a daily driver. Nice. Not bad, yeah. Not bad at all. Let me just get out of it. You've got these Urban Jeep motifs over here. Again, you know, that's what the customer wants. And I think we had shown you this also earlier. So that's pretty much it. The main work that I see that's new on it is the finishing has been improved.
Yes.
It's properly finished, and then this metal bumper, which is the bash plate and the metal bumper, which are the more useful mods. Yeah. Alright guys, this was a very quick video, small video of this vehicle. Let me know in the comments if you want to know anything specific. Again, for pricing, give these guys a call, figure it out with them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.